Yeah, man. You call that mixed vegetable cut up. You know? Yeah. Straight mixed vegetable. Yeah, man. You have the string bean over here, sir. We cut up already. You have the carrot over here, sir. We cut up already. Yes, the people. Yard and broad. Foreigner. When we're done, you lick your finger. Just like that. I wonder if some people know some mixed vegetable could have cut up like this. You see that? Mixed vegetable. Okay? Yeah. That's how we'll meet a yard in a foreigners. Yeah, man. Sunny Hill best cook. And you alone have the best look. Alright. Yeah, man. Nice little preparation, you know? Good, 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 good. Yes, my people, yard and abroad. You call this a string bean and a broccoli. So you have to put it on, make it go and simmer down. Get a little moisture in him and thing. Alright, see him there? Alright, that is a broccoli and string bean. Mixed vegetable, I get some seeds upon it, you know. Ah, sure. Alright. Yeah, man, remember, you know, Sunny Hill best cook. You have the #1 chef in the whole world. In Bada Jamaica and Bada Yard. Alright. Same for my people, see him there. Alright, watch your style, you know. Alright. Mix vegetable and mix up with the seasoning. Alright, so you're going to use this and stuffy breast. Okay? Yeah, man. This you use and stuffy breast. Mix vegetable with the seasoning. Alright, you see that? Yes, my people, it's a garlic. Alright. Well, the carrot, the broccoli, and the mix and the string bean mix up on the alright, put there. Yes, my people, that's a carrot, string bean, broccoli with garlic. I fry them. So this is egg now for the chicken breast. You're supposed to make a dip in them egg here with the chicken breast. Good. Alright. Alright, see that? And any chef do them something here, you know. You have to good and you have to love the cooking. If you don't love cooking, you can't do this. When you finish, my people, remember me tell you, foreigner fly down for this in no time. Finger licking, man. Sunny Hill best cooker, you alone have them something here. You have the best look. Oh. Go there. Mix out till it white like a milk. My people, that is egg. Oh, that look like breadcrumbs. You call that a breadcrumbs. Alright. So you dip the breast in the egg first. Take it out. Put it in the breadcrumbs. So that my people. Oh gosh, man. We say we can't wait for this done. What a pretty look. Alright, 1 pan tray. Remember people, you take up the breast with stuff. Dip it in the egg. Like that. Okay. See that? And you have to do it good. Make sure all side, all creases get the egg, okay? Yeah. Then you move from the egg to the breadcrumbs. Same thing with the breadcrumb. Make sure every side, every creases get the get the breadcrumbs. 2 pan tray. So for each one of them, same treatment, okay? Yes, sir. A pretty look. Yeah. See that? See that? Yes, my people. Remember again, remember, the breast was stuffed with the mixed vegetable. The mixed vegetable stuff in the breast. You roll it, dip it in the egg, then you dip it in the breadcrumbs, then this is how it look. Okay? Very delicious, man. Foreign in the yard. Sunny Hill best cook of the best look. Remember people, subscribe, thumbs up, leave your comment. If you love it, leave a comment. Yeah. Share the video, like the video, subscribe to the video. Beg on you. Love. Sunny Hill best cook of the best look. Alright, my people, the string bean add with some carrot. Remember the string bean and the broccoli? Alright, see it here? Now the carrot add to it. Okay? Yeah. And you remember you got to make it boil. Good. And we have the pot right here ready. Ready up. Yeah. Almost ready now to put the stuffed chicken breast into. Yeah. So my people, remember this stuffed chicken breast gonna go in here. Yeah. Yes, people, this is how it looks. See that? The pretty color. Okay. Good, good, good. You see that, people? So when you're done frying now, you're going to leave it, you're going to let some here with it and put it in an oven. If you don't have an oven, people, remember, you can use a jerk pan. Okay? Alright. So we're going to show you when it's going to go in the jerk pan or the oven. Good, good. Yeah, my people. Make them know chefs I say look when you come out of the oven. Same way, sir.
This is a fantastic song, though, and let's just certainly got some nice chords to great song on it. The air read showtime, yeah.
Anyway, you know that you have to you can't go anywhere. You have to stay here because this music sleep is it. Yeah, keep it right here. This special half hour music is courtesy of Portman Hall Pharmacy, the place for prescription drugs, over-the-counter products, medical supplies, cosmetics, home care products, toys and souvenirs, stationery, greeting cards, gift baskets, all garden supplies, and all you have to do is call 876-988-7639 or 876-988-7997. Hi to Donna from Marine Park. This is your neck of the woods.
Yes, my people.
Happy birthday.
This is how it look.
Birthday on Monday. Happy birthday, Donna from Marine Park.
People. Best tasting chicken. Breast, tough breast. With mixed vegetable. Oh God. People. Sunny Hill best cook are the best. Remember? Mm. Mm.